Good day guys, check out this knife of today. My dad bought this knife the other day for 150 rand, I think, if it wasn't less. It looks like it can be a sort of bayonet. On here it stands AK-47. It's a folding knife. It's almost a sword, but yeah. So there it stands AK-47 CCCP, and it has a lock here as well that keeps it from uh, closing or opening. There on that side it's locked now. If you press the button it doesn't open, so that's nice about it as well. And you can't lock it because it has its own lock when it's open. So but it's a very big knife with a big blade, and I'm sure it will fit on the rifle as well. As you can see, here's the thing that locks it as well. So it's also not too blunt for the size. It's quite sharp, as you can see here. I've cut this paper so many times. Let's see if it's cutting here. So there you can see. So it's not too bad for the thickness and everything. It cuts quite good, and but it's a heavy knife. I won't carry it and walk with it on my side the whole day. I'll rather get myself a other knife, but it's nice to have. So yeah, tell me what you think about this knife.